Hey everybody, this is Nick from the Thomas Somerville e-commerce team, and today I'm going to walk you guys through the different shipping options or order options that we have in checking out on our website TSCOnline. So obviously before you check out, you need to add something to your cart. So we're going to add a half-inch copper 90 to our cart. So here we go. We've added a half-inch copper 90 to our cart. We're going to view the cart just so that we can jump in it. And then here you can see that we have order options. So if you click the order options button, it's going to bring up another drop-down menu that has a handful of different things in there. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is TSCO truck. All that really means is that you want to take delivery of your material on a Thomas Somerville truck. That's the way we've been doing business forever. It's the way everybody's familiar with. The next four, ground, next day air, second day air, 3-day select, are all options that we can use if you wanted something UPS or FedEx to your office, to a job, to maybe you have a customer who has a vacation home that you want to send something to that way. We have that option also. There's also a great option if you want to use this as a way to get something from a branch that may be outside of your local area. If you're a Rockville, Maryland based customer and there's something in Pennsylvania that you want to get, you can have it UPS to you by selecting this option here. The other option that I want to talk about is ship complete. This is where instead of waiting or instead of getting multiple deliveries for the same job, this is where you're going to wait for everything to come in and then you're going to take one shipment at one time. And then the other one that I'll talk about here is quote only. So quote only is where you add all these things to your cart and then you select order options at the checkout process. And when you submit that order, it goes into our system as a quote, not an actual order. And this is a great way if you're bidding a job or want to keep track of some pricing or things like that. It's a way for you to do that. The last one that I want to talk about is will call pickup. And will call pickup really does two things. The first thing that it does is it lets us know when you place this order that this is obviously something that you want to pick up from us. The second thing that it does is it allows you to select the warehouse that you want to pick it up from. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. So when we click will call pickup, it brings up a list of all of our locations. I'm currently set up in Chantilly, but let's say I just want to pick it up in Fairfax because I'm going towards DC from out west. So you select that, you click update. What it does is it updates the warehouse to the Fairfax counter. So now all the browsing that you do is in the Fairfax counter. So you want a half-inch copper 90. All of the results that it brings up are going to be updated with the immediate branch availability for what's in stock at Fairfax. So you can see here there are 1,038 half-inch copper 90s at Fairfax. So if you wanted to say, oh, well, you know what, I'll just get something from Chantilly since I'm coming from that way anyway, you can come back into your cart, click order options, click will call pickup, search for Chantilly, select Chantilly, and then you can browse Chantilly's inventory. So if we look for a half-inch copper 90 in Chantilly's inventory now, it's actually going to show their live inventory. So you see they have 839 available. And if you jump into your cart, you can see this here too. So you can see where before we had 1,038 half-inch copper 90s in Fairfax, it's updating it right here. And like I mentioned, you can change this to any number of our branches. Let's say we want to pick Abingdon and we update. Right within your cart, Abingdon's also going to show you that there are 866 available in Abingdon. So there you go. That's really it for order options. The big ones will call because it's really got two functions. It allows you to browse the branch of your choosing, and it lets us know that you want to pick something up from us on will call. Don't forget about our drive-through service available at all of our branches. And if you have any questions, please reach out to the Thomas Somerville e-commerce team at ecommerce@tsomerville.com. Thanks.